The universe is a vast and mysterious place, teeming with billions of stars. But within this celestial tapestry, there exist stars so strange, they challenge our understanding of the cosmos. From stellar remnants that refuse to die to stars spinning rapidly, we're about to explore the most bizarre stars in the galaxy. Fasten your seatbelts, space explorers, because we're diving into the weird and wonderful world of stellar oddities. Imagine a star reaching the end of its life, its nuclear fuel spent. But some stars refuse to stay dead. These are the zombie stars, white dwarfs clinging to existence by feasting on their stellar companions. They lie in wait, lurking in binary systems, slowly siphoning material from their neighbors. This cosmic vampirism triggers a second, even more powerful explosion, a Type Ia supernova. The light from Type Ia supernovae acts as a cosmic yardstick, allowing astronomers to measure vast distances. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, some of those twinkling points of light might just be undead stars, illuminating the cosmos with their afterlives. Prepare to have your mind boggled by the fastest spinners in the universe. Pulsars. These are the remnants of massive stars that went out with a bang, leaving behind an incredibly dense core. This extreme density forces the star to spin at incredible speeds, some completing a rotation in mere milliseconds. Beams of radiation, like cosmic lighthouses, sweep across space as the pulsar rotates. The fastest known pulsar, PSRJ 1748-2446 AID, spins at a mind-blowing 716 times per second. These extreme objects push the boundaries of physics. When we think of stars, we envision fiery balls of plasma radiating heat and light. But not all stars conform to this blazing image. Some are quite literally celestial underachievers, barely flickering in the darkness. These are the brown dwarfs, sometimes called failed stars. They're bigger than giant planets like Jupiter, yet not massive enough to ignite nuclear fusion. One of the coldest known brown dwarfs, Y08550714, is truly an icebox of the cosmos. Brown dwarfs offer clues about star formation and the potential for planetary systems around objects quite different from our sun. So, while they may not be the brightest stars, brown dwarfs shine a light on the diversity and complexity of the cosmos. Hold on to your magnetic strips because we're about to delve into the realm of the most magnetic objects in the known universe. Magnetars. These are cosmic powerhouses with magnetic fields so strong they can warp your very atoms. Imagine a neutron star, but then crank up the magnetism a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. That's a magnetar for you. The intense magnetic fields can distort atoms, making it impossible for your body to function normally. These magnetic monsters release enormous bursts of energy called starquakes, which can be detected across vast distances. Magnetars are a force to be reckoned with, pushing the limits of physics with their mind-bending magnetic fields. The universe is full of surprises, but some objects challenge the very laws of physics as we know them. Enter the Thorn-Zietkow object, a star so bizarre it was once thought impossible. Imagine a red supergiant engulfing a neutron star, creating a hybrid star unlike anything else in the cosmos. The neutron star, instead of being destroyed, settles into the core of the red supergiant, creating a cosmic oddity. Though once purely theoretical, astronomers believe they may have found evidence of a real Thorn-Zietkow object in the star HV 2112. This discovery, if confirmed, would shake up our understanding of stellar evolution. So the next time you think about the limits of what's possible, remember the Thorn-Zietkow object, a star that shouldn't exist yet might just be out there. As we conclude our journey through the bizarre stellar menagerie of the cosmos, we're left with a sense of awe and wonder. These aren't just points of light in the night sky, they are dynamic, powerful, and often downright strange objects. From undead stars to magnetic monsters, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe is full of surprises, and who knows what other cosmic oddities await our discovery.